Morning children. Now I am going to take science for you. So this is lesson number 7. We need a house. In the last class I explained half lesson. No children. So why do we need a house? So we need a house to because it protects us from cold, wind, rain and sun. So we need a house now. So like us, animals also need a house to live. So in the family members, they will all share the work and do at home, and by sharing the work they will feel happy afterwards. So what are the portions of the house? I explained for you in the last class. So the portions of the house are all: kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. No children? So another one, name the different parts of your house. Means bedroom, kitchen, dining hall, bathroom, hall, guest room. No children? So next is already you know that I explained in the last class that where do you sit for studies? So we sit in study room, and in which room you will sleep? So we will sleep in bedroom. And which room do you have the food? So you will have the food in the dining hall. And what do you call the room where you sit and chat with your family or friends? Means in the living room, or we can call it as drawing room. And where do you wash your hands, legs and face? Means in the bathroom. Now you open page number 72. Take a textbook and open page number 72. See, there are given some picture here. No children? There will be separate rooms in some houses. Some houses will have a big hall. The different rooms are used for different works. So in some houses there will be separate rooms like bedroom, bathroom, kitchen room, dining hall, study room and all. So in some houses there will be only one kitchen. No children? And some houses will have a big hall, and in some houses will have a small hall. No children? So the different rooms are used for different work. So we will work in different rooms. Okay children? Next, this is Peter's house. Peter is standing at the door. See here, there is a picture of a house, mountain, tree, and the two boys are playing, and one man is standing near the door. So that man name is Peter. So this is Peter's house. So where is standing children? So he is standing near the door. Now they are given here what is there in front of, behind, left and right of Peter's house. So you must see this picture and write in the space provided. So first one, there is a dash in front of the house. So in front of Peter's house, what is there children? So there is a passage. P-A-S-S-A-G-E, passage. Next, there is a dash on the left side of the house. So what is there children in the picture on the left side? So there is a small house. No children? Or tree also we can write. So next, there is a dash behind the house. So behind the house what is there? Tree is there and hills or mountains. So hills or mountains, it is there in behind of the house. Next, there is a dash on the right side of the house. So what is there in the right side of the Peter's house children? So there is a playground and the two boys are playing the ball. Okay children? Next, observe around your house. Write the answers in the space provided below. So near your house, what is there? You must write in the space. There is a dash in front of the house. So what is there in front of your house? You must write there. For example, garden, tree, small house, or near neighbor's house, like that you must write. Okay. Next, there is a dash on the left side of the house. There is a dash behind your house. There is a dash on the right side of the house. So you see around your surroundings and write what is there. Okay, children. Next, this is Rama and Ravi's house. Identify the waste. So they are given the picture of a house. So in the first picture, Rama is living, the girl, and in the second picture, Ravi, a boy, is living in that house. So what are the waste they are putting? It is there inside the house. You must find out. So what are the waste? Let us find out, children. Put the peels of vegetables, fruits, flowers, leaves and greens into a dustbin. So peels of vegetables means ತರಕಾರಿ ಹಚ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ ಅದರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು ಸಿಪ್ಪೆಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಸದ ಬುಟ್ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳದ್ದು ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ, ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲೆಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಕಸದ ಬುಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ ರವೀಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡ್ರೈ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪೀಸಸ್, plastics, chocolate covers, etc. into another dustbin. So what that boy is doing, Ravi? So he is putting all the dry waste means onigirodu means like a paper pieces all will be there, and a plastic glass bottles will be there, and if you are eating chocolate and throwing that cover, that covers and all you must put in another dustbin. And then ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಪೀಸು, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲು, ನೀರಿನ ಕ್ಯಾನು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕವರ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ವ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಮ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ರಾಮ ಈಸ್ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ರವಿ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ that boy is putting in another dustbin. So name the waste you find in your house. So what are the waste you find in your house, children? So we find papers, plastic, covers, sticks, broomsticks, leaves, flowers and all we find, no children, in our house. So what do you do with the waste in your house? So what you will do, children? So we will take all that waste and put in the dustbin. After we will give for the dustbin collector. Now children, next, do this. They given some examples here. Put all the peels of fresh vegetables and fruits into a dustbin. Prepare manure and put it to the plants. So the skin of the vegetables and fruits you must put in the dustbin. After you must prepare manure, and after that manure you put for the plants. ಸೊ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಗೊಬ್ಬರನ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ರಾಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್. ಕೀಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ನೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥ್ರೋ ದ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್ ನೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಥ್ರೋ ದ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಪೇಪರು, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆಗಳು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಾಕಬಾರ್ದು, ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಗಿವ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಟು ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವೇಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಂದು ದಿನ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ವ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Okay children, so we must give the waste to the person who collects it. Okay children. So in the next page they are given some picture of a house. Here is a picture of a house. If you want to live in this house, what changes will you make? Write the changes in the space given below. So here there is a picture of the house. So the house is damaged. So if you want to live in that one, what changes you will make? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಹೌಸ್, ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೇರ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಸ್. After the gate is broken, so we must repair that gate, and we must clean all the places and we must keep it clean. Now children, see the walls on the houses all broken, so we must demolish that one and rebuild properly. Now children, next, join the dots and color it with the colors of your choice. So they given the house, I have joined that one and I have colored that one, so with the color pencil. So you also sit and join the dots and color with color pencil or crayons. Okay children, at home. Next, prepare a house using mud, thermocol, cardboard, etc. Show different rooms of the house. So if you have time, you can prepare, you can make a house using thermocol, mud, cardboard, and you can show the different rooms. So what are the different rooms children? So the different rooms are hall, kitchen, dining hall, bathroom, bedroom, and all. You must show that one. Okay children. Next is they given one poem here. Sing and enjoy. Home sweet home, where colorful flowers bloom. Home sweet home, beautiful and cool is my home. Wonderful and clean too. Home sweet home. So they sing that my home is very sweet, and near my house there are so many colorful flowers. So it will bloom and it is beautiful and it is cool in my house. So inside my house it is very beautiful and it will be cool and it is also clean. Okay children, any doubt children? Shall I ask some question children? So what are the different rooms in your house children? So the different rooms are what children? Can anyone say? So the different portions of the house are hall, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, guest room, dining hall. Now children, so where do you live children? So we all live in a house. Now children, next, this girl, where is that Rama putting the vegetables waste children? So she is putting the vegetables waste in a dustbin. So how should we keep our house children? So we must keep our house neat and clean. So where we must throw the waste children? So we must throw the waste in a dustbin and give it to the a person who collects the dust. Okay children? Who collect the waste. So what all you will put in the waste children in another dustbin? So we must put dry waste like paper, peas, plastics, chocolate covers in one dustbin, and we must put the peels of vegetables, fruits, flowers and leaves in another dustbin. Okay children? Any doubt children? I think you could have understood this lesson. I am giving notes also. So please write the notes in the classwork neatly. Okay children? Thank you.